In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Vanish Mode on Instagram. If your messages keep disappearing, this is exactly what you need. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the messages icon at the top or bottom. Open the chat where Vanish Mode is enabled. Now swipe up from the bottom of the chat, hold for 1 second, and release. Vanish Mode is instantly turned off. If the swipe doesn't work, here's another way. Open the chat again. Tap the person's name at the top of the screen. Now tap on disappearing messages. Select off. Go back to the chat. Vanish Mode is now disabled. And that's it. 2 simple ways to turn off Vanish Mode on Instagram. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips.